This is one of the reasons why they call Bangkok the Venice of the East. There are a lot of canals, even here in the Unut area. Good morning. I'm here at the Phra Khanong Canal, and somebody mentioned in my latest video that I haven't been biking for a while, which is absolutely correct. I haven't made a bike video for a couple of months, I think, and we just had the Christmas dinner, so I need to get rid of some calories. So this is the perfect opportunity to show you guys the canal over here. This is a local community right between Phra Khanong and Unut. This is the T77 project, and here, if you have these buildings here, this is around the Unut BTS station. I'm gonna go down here to Sukhumvit Soi 77 and then street 25, where I will show you where the canal is. So this is definitely one of my favorite canals. So the temple that we just entered is Wat Thong Nai, and that is street number 25 on Sukhumvit Soi 77, which is in Unut. Kap. Yeah, this is not the easiest path to navigate one-handed with your camera on. Oh, don't know how we're gonna do this. Crap. Okay. Oxygen. Yeah, luckily we're not on a motorcycle. That would have been a different story. So this is one of the reasons why they call Bangkok the Venice of the East. There are a lot of canals, and even here in the Unut area. So this is a new project. I haven't seen this before. Looks like an amazing house, actually. Yeah, if you're used to the busy Bangkok, you do not expect to have these kind of areas as well. So these are the very original areas where people were living on the Khlong, on the canal. And for that you also see a lot of temples along the canal here. So the road that we were driving before we got in here, that's Sukhumvit Soi 77, and that's parallel on this one. Yeah, a lot of people don't realize that Thailand also has a very big Muslim community, and this area is predominantly Muslim. Sawadee krap. Good morning. This area here is a big muban, which is like a housing compound, and it's a short ride to the second part that I want to show you. Yeah, I love how they put all the flowers here and make it so colorful. There's even a rainbow bridge a bit further down the Khlong. Khlong means canal. Sawadee krap. Krap. Yeah, now we're coming to my favorite part of the Khlong area here. I like it because it's colorful and they have a lot of flowers, greenery. But you do have to mind your head. See how we're gonna do this one. Done it. If you come a bit later, a lot of people here are fishing, and they have a very typical way of fishing. They have a kind of net, a square net, as you can see here, that they just throw in the water and wait for the fish to come over it, and then they pull it up. Whoop. Yeah, so if you live in the Onut area, this is actually around the corner. I need to bike a bit longer to get here, but it's such a beautiful area, very scenic. I just love hanging out here. People are always friendly. They don't really mind you coming through here. Oh. Sawadee krap. Krap. Oh, this is lovely here. You just make a lot of effort to make it look nice, and in the back there you see the high rises of Bangkok. This is such a typical area where you can see the contrast of a city like Bangkok. And here you have the tiger guarding the bridge that I have to get over. This one's for you, Pat. Sawadee Krap. So here you have one of these fishing nets. Okay, let me cross the bridge. Yeah, if you look at the first videos that I made on Global Travel Mate, they actually started with the title Bangkok on a bicycle. And this is also the reason why I started the Global Travel Mate, because I was biking around anyway, and I thought, okay, let's film this and share it. And then it escalated, it evolved or escalated, depends on how you look at it, into a completely different type of channel. But my passion for a big part still lies with the bicycling, and I can definitely recommend if you live in Bangkok. I saw that Bangkok is actually mentioned as the second best bicycling city in Asia. Well, I don't know if that is true, because traffic is not that easy to manage, but if you go to these kind of places here, obviously it's amazing. I think this is the local ice cream man. So here in the back you have a whole community. And there's a little shop here and a mosque around the corner. Little squirrel going there. Funny. This is actually a bike tour that you can easily do by yourself. I will leave a link to the Google Maps in the description of this video, and especially if you live in the Onut area or Phra Khanong, it's just a 5 minutes ride to get here, and you really feel like you're somewhere else, a bit more into nature. By the way, this is one of the only places in Bangkok that I've ever seen a snake, but that's another story. I hope you enjoyed this update regarding this bicycle tour. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.